In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in MailerLite. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a landing page can be an essential part of your marketing strategy, and MailerLite makes it incredibly easy to do. So let's dive right into the process and get your landing page up and running. First, you'll want to start by opening MailerLite. If you don't have it open already, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, look at the top navigation menu. You should see an option labeled Sites. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the area that focuses on web content, including landing pages. By default, the Landing Pages tab should appear, so you're already in the right place. Now locate the button that says New Site. This is where the magic begins. Click on New Site, and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your landing page. Choose something that reflects the purpose of your page, as this will help you organize your projects later. Once you've named your landing page, you'll need to click Save and Continue. Following that, you'll proceed to a crucial step, selecting the subscriber group where new signups will be added. Think about the audience you want to target. Are they existing customers, new leads, or part of a specific campaign? Select the relevant subscriber group to ensure your new leads are organized properly. After that, you'll click to Continue, and this is where you get to decide how you want to build your landing page. MailerLite offers you two options. You can either build with AI, which is a fantastic feature if you want smart suggestions and a quicker setup, or you can start from scratch if you prefer a more hands-on approach. Choose the option that best suits your comfort level and needs. Now, it's time to get creative. You'll be presented with options to add various sections to your landing page. This could include headers, text blocks, images, forms, and much more. The beauty of MailerLite is its drag-and-drop functionality, making it incredibly user-friendly. Go ahead and add the sections you want and start populating them with your content. Once you've added your sections, take a moment to customize everything. Add enticing text that speaks to your audience, and make sure to include compelling images that align with your branding. If you're using forms to capture leads, double-check that they are easy to fill out and clear in their purpose. Colors and layout are also key. Pick colors that match your brand identity and create a layout that guides your visitors naturally toward your call to action. After you've added and customized your content, it's time to take a step back and preview your page. This is an important moment. Make sure everything looks just as you intended. Check for any typos, confirm the images are displayed correctly, and ensure that all forms and links work as expected. If you spot anything that needs adjusting, now is the time to make those final changes. Finally, you're almost there. The last step is to configure your URL. Choose a memorable and straightforward URL that reflects your landing page, as this makes it easier for visitors to remember. Along with that, take a moment to fill in any optional SEO settings. This step can really help increase the visibility of your landing page online, so it's worth a little bit of extra effort. Once you're satisfied with your URL and any SEO settings you've added, it's time to bring your creation to life. Click on Save and Publish, and voila! Your landing page is now live and ready to collect leads. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a landing page in MailerLite. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the future. Happy landing page building!